Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. How you all doing? Hope you're doing great, you're doing fine. So in today's video we have a body care for body care routine for beginners. So if you really want to get into your body care, like your body, taking good care of your body as a beginner, then here are some products I'll advise you to use. I have a bunch of products there because since I'm into the body care and skincare niche, or since I love body care stuff and body care products, I have like a whole lot of them. So you don't need to get everything, but I just want to show you things you should have in mind when I'm trying to invest in your body care. So let's go straight to the video, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Don't forget to like this video, share this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It's free. If you're all about your body care, skincare, looking good, smelling nice, and this is the right channel for you. So stay tuned while we get to the products. Okay, so guys, I will start showing you the products like from your normal body routine, like when you want to have your bath, your shower routine, and all that. So start from the top till when you're getting dressed finally. So first of all, you need to invest in a good sponge. You need to invest in a good sponge. So for me, I have the normal African sponge. This does it for me every time. I like how it feels on my body. It thoroughly cleans my body, and this is what I go for every time. I always change it. Whenever I feel like it's soft, I'll change it. Other than that, that's it. This is it for me. If you've been following my channel, you know that I do a double cleanse. So I go in with a bath soap before I go in with a body wash. So I have lots of bath soap, and my favorites are from Dove because I find them, they are not drying, they are very moisturizing. So I have a few ones here. So that's what I want to show you. Um, some of them are already open because I use them like when I'm doing videos. So I have some of them, but the soaps, they are still inside. So when I use them, I just return them. So this is the first one. This is the Dove Beauty Cream Bar with cucumber and green tea scent. This is what it looks like. This just has a fresh cucumber scent. I like this one. I'll just be fast with showing because I have a whole lot of products here. I have another one. This is the Dove Purely Pampering. This is a shea butter and vanilla. I got this in my last haul. I think so, my last haul. This one, I love the scent of this one. The vanilla is really nice. And I got this one too. This is the gently exfoliating something. This one. I also got this one in my last haul. I got this and the matching body wash, and I love that one. It's so much. I'm going to show you in this video. So I still have like other. I have the pink. I have different ones. I'm just showing you like options you can get. You can get any of the Dove bar soaps you see. So I just decided to show you these ones. So on a daily, I don't use my body scrub, but 2 times a week I use my body scrub. So I go in with the bar soap first. The next I go in with my body scrub. So one of the scrubs I've been using is this Dr. T. You can see it's even finished. It's going to be like in my empties video. So guys, I'm going to do a beauty, my favorite body product empties video. So stay tuned for that video, guys. So this is, I just finished this one. This is the Dr. Teal salt scrub. This is the one that I've been using. I love this one. It's not so cross. It's nice. I love the scent and everything. I just finished using it. So you can use a body scrub. You can also make your own body scrub. I know the packaging is not so nice, but this is the one I made by myself. I have a video showing you how you can make your body scrub at home. You just need 4 items to make your body scrub. This is my own body scrub. But it has been inside the fridge. So this is what it looks like because it has been inside the fridge, but I'm going to leave the video of where you can see, or you can see how to make your own body scrub. So if you don't want to keep buying the store-bought ones like from the store, you can also make your own body scrub. So but for me, I use the two. I use any one. You can also invest in like the I think tree hot scrubs or those scrubs, anyone you want. So like for me, I think my next Hygiene, I'm even going to purchase like a few of them, but most of the time I go in with my own DIY body scrub. So that's what you need. Next is your body scrub. Using body scrub exfoliates your skin, they take away dead cells, and they make your skin. Anytime I use my body scrubs, I find that my skin feels fresh and clean and feels moisturized and smooth, most especially smooth. Like your face feels so smooth, and you need it. You need a body scrub for your body care routine. 2 times a week, you can go in with any scrub. 2 times is very important. So after that, next body washes. I think body washes are one of my favorites because it kind of brings in back moisture into your body. Most of them are very moisturizing, especially the Dove body washes. They are really, really moisturizing. So I want to show you a few body washes that I have. So first off, this is the soft soap luminous oils. I got this one like two hygiene hauls ago. I'm going to also keep the video of where I got this one. I love the scent. I love the scent of this one, but I feel like it's not really, really moisturizing. But I love the scent and it still does the job of getting me all cleaned. And next is the Dove relaxing jasmine petals and coconut oil. I have a lot of them, but I'm just showing you some of them you can get. This one is nice. I like it. I like the coconut smell. Very, very nice. This one, I just showed you the body. This one, I just showed you the bar soap. Oh my god, I love this one. It has like exfoliating beads, but outside that it's so moisturizing, like really, really moisturizing. I really love this one. Really, really moisturizing. You can get your hands on this one. And next we have one of my favorites because this one I love the scent. The fragrance is really nice. It's really strong, and I like it. This is the scent Ives oatmeal and shea butter. Guys, get your hands on this. You will like it. The fragrance is really, really nice. I really like this one. So guys, I just did a shea butter and oatmeal vanilla scented shower routine, and I think I incorporated this in it. So guys, I'm going to drop that video so you could watch that video, so you can see my oatmeal and shea butter stroke vanilla scented routine. I really liked it because there's something about layering your scents and they just make those scents to be more potent. So check out that video. I'm going to leave that video. So after the body wash, I rinse myself and I come out, and next I go in with lotion. Okay, before then, so before the lotion, one thing I do in the shower like once or two times a week is I do like my feet. Very important. I don't know this is I don't know how it couldn't hold, but it still does the job. So I just hold it. So once a week, I go in with this just for my feet, just to get any, just to get my feet looking good. So I go in with this, going with this, going with this. So this is like the file. So I just do that to my feet once a week just to make it still looking good before my next pedicure section. So you can invest in like a nail file or something like this just for your legs to keep your legs looking good before your next pedicure appointment. So next it's body lotion. I have a few body lotions that I really like looking at me right now, you know that I really love Dove products. I like them because they are for every skin type. They don't select whether you're fair or you're dark, and whether you have sensitive skin or not. Dove products really work for everybody, and they have lovely fragrances and all that. So this one is the Dove Secret. This is restoring ritual body lotion, coconut milk and almond. I love this one. Oh my god, this scent is really, really nice. I love this one. So you can get your hands on this. And funny enough, those products are actually very cheap. So you don't need to break a bank to get your hygiene on point, or get your body care on point. So most of all these things I'm showing you here, they are really, really cheap and you can always afford it. So this Dove one. So next I got this I have this Nivea vanilla. I like this one. This one has oil in it. I feel like some days I don't want to go in with oil again. I just go in with this one, and I like it. I have another Dove. I have I think the avocado. I have one with the honey and the macadamia, be calendar or something like that. I have some most of those videos. I'm going to like drop most of my hygiene hauls so you can see some of the products I've been getting. You must not break the bank. You must not get them like me, but just because I'm into it, so that's why I'm always purchasing. So that's it for body cream. So you have to pick a body cream that works for you. I'm going to always advise you Dove works for almost in fact, everybody. So you can get that. So okay, one thing I forgot to mention, like one of my shower routines is a feminine wash. So this is the one I got from Femme Fresh. It says zero sensitive. I don't know, some people have a problem with Femme Fresh, but I've never had a problem with Femme Fresh. I've used it for over the years and over the years and over the years. So for me, I must always go in with an intimate wash. People say just use water. I don't feel comfortable with just water, so I must always go in with an intimate wash. You can get anyone you want that you feel like the pH balance is okay and works well for you. I feel like with this thing, it doesn't like you cannot just pick one thing for everybody. I've seen people even talk about using not using I be using Vagisil or be what, and I've seen people that use it and it doesn't affect them. So for me, I would say use what works for you. For me, over the years, I've always used Femme Fresh, and I've not had any irritation. I've not had any issue. So I always use Femme Fresh. So this is the one I am using right now. I think I've used one other one that's like a pink, but I got this one in my recent haul and I'm liking it. There's no scent to it. There's no fragrance to it at all, and it's zero soap, and I like it. So this is what I've been using. So guys, for me, I'll always advise that you should get an intimate wash. For me, I just feel like water does not just cut it. After your body lotion, you need to go in with a body oil. Let me show you the two body oils I have now. So these ones are actually gel like body oils, and they're a bit thick. So I just finished my Nivea. I used to have Neutrogena. I liked that Neutrogena. I'm going to show you how the Neutrogena looks. I'll drop a picture here. I like the Neutrogena because it's lightweight. Like you don't even feel like you're using oil. It's so light. And I think in my next haul I'm going to get that again. So you can use like the Neutrogena oil, even the Johnson baby oil. Those are very nice lightweight oil. But this one I got it during the dry season, like when the weather was like really, really I needed it. So I got this one. So this is the Vaseline. The Vaseline, I like this Vaseline. You can see that I'm almost through with it. Like I see how small it's looking. And it has a really nice scent to it. This Vaseline. It smells like it's cocoa butter, sure. It's like 100% cocoa butter, so it smells like cocoa butter. But they are both in gel form. So this is the Johnson Baby. Let me show you. I really like them. You don't need so much. When I want to use, I just take like a very small, tiny amount to use. Small, because I don't. I feel like because it's very thick. If you rub so much, it's going to be like heavy on your skin, and like it doesn't sink into your skin very well. So just small quantities, and you rub small quantity and massage it to your skin. So that's why I like this one. But I'm going to get like lightweight one like the Johnson, like I said, and the Neutrogena just for like every day. I feel like this is not like every day. It's not for every day. I don't use it for every day. For me, I don't use it every day. The days that I want to use it, days that I feel like I want the extra shine, I go in with it. But for some days I don't use it all the time. So that's why I want to go back to I want to get the Neutrogena or a normal Johnson baby oil. And I also saw the Dr. Teal oil. I'll try to get one of those for like normal days. So that's it, guys. So after that, you have to go with a deodorant. So for me, most of the time, I said it when I my video about how to get rid of underarm odor. I said most of the time I use lemon. Yes, I use my lemon most of the time. But for this, I am going out. I'll have to go in with an antiperspirant because for me, I cannot just use lemon because I sweat a lot. So I'll go in with my antiperspirant. This is the Rexona. Rexona used to be Sure, so this is the one I'm going in. I go in with. I use this and also use like Dove. I also like Dove products. Dove antiperspirant. So you can get Dove, you can get the Show, you can get anyone that works for you. So you also need an antiperspirant. So this is the one I have and I'm using right now. So you need it to keep your armpits in check. So you don't smell, ladies. You don't smell. But there's no bad odor in this channel. Like we do not entertain bad odor. You always have to be scenting nice. You do not have to smell. So when I go in after this, next is body sprays. So for body sprays, you don't need to break the bank. They're still cheap one. You must not go in with a Victoria's Secret. You must not go in a pattern. But they're shared. Like for me, I like body fantasies. They are nice. This is like an OG for me. I'm sure everybody knows body fantasies. So this is the body fantasies vanilla. I love the smell. And I also have this Victoria's Secret Candy Baby. This is what it looks like. Like I'm almost through with it. Like I've used it and I'm almost through with it. So you can get there are a lot and varieties of body spray. Just find one that you like, find different scents and invest in a body spray. Also invest in a perfume. So other kind of body care products that you need for like every day. You also need a hand cream. So this is the one I'm using. This is a Setikura intensive hand and nail cream. So this is the one I'm using. can get any hand cream, just keep your hands moisturized, because sometimes I feel like my hands are a bit dry, so I just go in with this to keep it nice. And you know, with all this with the whole sanitizing your hands, sometimes these sanitizers can be a bit drying, so when you go in with your sanitizers, you can always use a hand cream for that. And last but not the least, I must always have a lip balm with me. So this is the Nivea. This is the Nivea Blackberry Shine. So I must always have a lip balm with me, just to keep my lips moisturized. Girl, you can't come up all here with ashy body, ashy lips, dry and broken. No, no, no. When doing that, it's 2022. We are not doing that. We are seriously not doing that. We always have to look on point, smell on point, be on point, feel good about yourself. You want to touch your body and feel like, touch your hands and your legs and you feel like your body has, they are nice. So that's what we have. So guys, I guess that's all for this video. I've showed you like products you need to get. So guys, don't forget, you need the bar soap, you need a good sponge, you need body lotions, you need your body scrub 2 times a week. Guys, don't forget, you need to invest in body oils, you need to invest in good perfumes and body spray. And that's all, guys. So if you're a beginner, guys, just find, you can just pick one of all these things. You can, like I said, you can work with Dove is cheap and works very well. So guys, that's all I have for you for this video. Hope you found it entertaining, hope you enjoyed the video, and hope you picked one or two things from this video. So don't forget to check out my other videos. Don't forget to subscribe if you're all about your body care, looking good, smelling nice, because that's what we're doing here, right? Come on, body care is an investment. You need to feel good about yourself, ladies. So don't forget to subscribe, guys. I love you. To my next video.